Yeah,
No, I don't have any fabrics on.
you look really good. Double,
No,
triple win, triple win. Well, yeah.
Do you guys think I deserve the win?
no,
Mm. Oh, why, Avatar?
I
because
think
the truth is not reflected on your look.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I
what
don't
can you
think
say
your
about
opinion is so correct, just like your mug. Because,
well,
girl, where is your chin?
well.
Oh my
Hold
god.
on, I have something to say. Buzz Lightyear does not have a gun. He's an astronaut,
Girl,
and
yes,
Cal
it's
has an actual
not.
weapon, and that's like relevant to her character. And I think she should have won because of her detailing.
Girl, I just added it for like drag, and I exaggerated his costume because I don't want to cosplay him.
Well, you exaggerated so much that your necklace is not on your neck.
Girl, it's your device that's lagging, not
Guys, stop
mine.
fighting. Guys, stop fighting. You got both of you didn't deserve the win.
Oh,
it?
Oh, really? That's why you're safe high.
Really?
You're
Is that
always
Right,
there, but never
girl,
good
you?
enough to be
you're
there.
holding a water gun, and it looks ugly on your look.
For real, shit.
Oh, okay. Keep
And
bashing
this
me, and
girl
I'm gonna
having
keep
a floating
winning.
necklace. Oh,
what?
now I see.
She said that your necklace is floating. Well, girl, your bigote is also floating, so you're not going to.
Shut up. Your makeup is not the same as your skin tone.
Because it's a catalog outfit. That's why it doesn't match.
I
It's
don't
a
even care.
bodysuit. You can't even afford something like that.
Shut up. Shut up, your tiger.
Shut up. You always use that big gown every time.
Because that because that is the concept.
The concept is not concepting.
I will do I will do Kayla with a fucking bodysuit.
Hmm?
Are you joking? Do you even know that girl?
Girl, there's more than just
Try to
wearing a
search it
big
up so you can
fucking
understand
gown.
what concept I have.
There's more to wear than just that gown. So you have to use your
No,
mind, your brain,
I don't
if you
even
have
care.
any.
Just focus on your book.
You could never.
No.
No, thank you. Bigyan mo yung mga
Look
katulad.
look at Marimara's dead. It's
Yeah, ang ganda ng antak natin